Hello kids, let's learn some colors and alphabets. Pink color, black color, peacock green color, light pink color, blue color, green color, brown color, orange color, violet color, sky blue color. Sky blue color. A for apple. A for apple. Sky blue color. Violet color. B for ball. B for ball. Violet color. Brown color. C for cat. C for cat. Brown color. Peacock green color. D for dog. D for dog. Peacock green color. Black color. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. Black color. Orange color. F for frog. F for frog. Orange color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. GHIJKL. Pink color. G for gloves. G for gloves. Pink color. Blue color. H for hat. H for hat. H for hat. Blue color. Peacock green color. I for ink. I for ink. Peacock green color. Orange color. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Orange color. Light pink color. K for koala. K for koala. Light pink color. Brown color. L for ladybird. L for ladybird. G for gloves. H for hat. I for ink. J for jellyfish. K for koala. L for ladybird. Pink color, blue color, peacock green color, orange color, light pink color, brown color. GHIJKL. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.